All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. All right, thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors. All right, Yoruba Nation, no going back, and it's exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, my people, I think this is another great news reaching our table right now. Well, with the news reaching us right now, this one says latest update on Yoruba Nation's declaration. All right, my people, this time around, I think I have to say a very big congratulations to all Yoruba Nation agitator. And then, if we are talking about the Yoruba Nation agitators, we will be talking about the real agitators because we already have the fake ones, and then the fake ones are the traitors. This time around, a lot of things are actually being said onto this one. All right, and then as it stands right now, majority of these people have made us to understand that the Yoruba nation had been declared. Yes, so no going back. And this time around, since the people have met the 5 million petition signed by 5 million people, which the United Nations actually gave an order that I go ahead, so to say, that if you people actually want to be separated, why not? We need 10% of your population. And this one is just getting to me right now. The United Nations asks for the 10% of the population of the Yoruba people, and to our greatest surprise, the Nigerian government gave the United Nations the number, which was about 35 million people, according to the federal government of Nigeria gave the United Nations that the Yorubas are in a number of 35 million people, according to what information we have gathered right now. And meanwhile, the Yoruba people are of the opinion that we are not up to 35 million. Because definitely, since the Nigerian government gave the number 35 million, meaning if they are supposed to get 10%, because normally you are supposed to get 10% petition signed of the total number of the people. So if you are supposed to get 10% signatory of 35 million, that means we'll be talking about 3.5 million people. Well, and then meanwhile, at the end of it all, these Yoruba people have been able to even sign more than about 15% of what had been given. Because out of, okay, if it's supposed to be 35 million people, they are supposed to present about 3.5 million petition from people. If they are 35 million, according to what the federal government of Nigeria gave to the United Nations. But this time around, these people even passed the 10% of that 35 million, of which they have been able to gather the signatory of about 5 million plus people right now as we speak. And then, according to what information that had been gathered, it is even said that more people are still coming in signing this same petition. So, what are we talking about? My people, a lot of things had actually happened, and then Ujujua Nation no going back, and exactly what the people are talking about. And then this is just the latest development that had just reached our table. All right, and then with what had been gathered, it has been gathered that the Yoruba nation, right now, in case you don't know, had been declared free, that the Yoruba nation is now actualized. Now, the official declaration will be coming up very soon, and then we'll keep updating you on that. Well, it's just remaining that the Yoruba leaders should just come out and then declare it open. And then they said before they will be able to declare Yoruba nation, official declaration, that there are so many things that are supposed to be put in place, which is very, very important. And then this time around, these people are of the opinion that before they can declare this, there should be a general no conclusion on how the constitution will be like. The Yorubas are of the opinion that they are going to carry along many people onto this matter. That means a lot, every region from every circle, from the south to west, wherever you are from, should present some representatives that will represent them in this meeting, and then the meeting will be called upon any moment soon, and then that's exactly what had been gathered. My people, this is another strong one. Who did one nation? No going back, and exactly what we are saying. Well, and then meanwhile, this set of people have said that no, a lot of people will be invited. That no, definitely the Yoruba people have a lot of experts that are all over the world that know what it is, most especially the experts who are from Yoruba land. All over the world, they should come together this time around to give their own idea on what they are supposed to do. And meanwhile, it has also been said that there's going to be maximum security guaranteed in Yoruba land, that nobody should be scared that, oh, are you sure will not be tampered, will not be disturbed or harassed when we come to this country. Okay, and then it had been assured that there are so many strong security that are ready to protect the people. Yeah, so and these are Yoruba security that have been trained, that they are set that the people who are brought, they are the ones that do not know what is underground. I think that's another great one. All right, so well, the truth of the matter right now had been that the Yoruba nation, agitation had been have been given what would I call it? They have been given permission. Yes, they've been given permission to go ahead and declare it. And then these people have to put things in order. And then they made mention of things that are supposed to be put in order. And then they talked about the solid foundation, and then they need to have a solid foundation of everything that will be put in place for a country to stand. And they're talking about how to determine the constitution, and then the Yoruba currency, and how the currency will look like, how it will be able to generate fund, and how it's going to be a bill of exchange in buying and selling will be talked about in this meeting. And then also how the Yoruba nation passport, yes, definitely passport is very important, and to the extent that the Yoruba nation agitators have been able to declare and clear the head that these same passports with immediate effect will be recognized all over the world for Yoruba people to be able to travel out with. My brother, my sister, no be small something. And at the same time, they talked about the Central Bank of Yoruba Republic. That's another one, that the Central Bank of Yoruba Republic must definitely be put in check also at this same meeting. That's why everybody needs to come around with their representative. There are two in each region. All right. So, and then another thing has been that every region should come with its representative. Yoruba Nation Army will also be worked on. That's another one. I think this is another great one, because in a situation, in a country whereby there is no security, I don't think that kind of nation will go places. Yes, the security aspect will be talked about, and then this time around talking about the Yoruba Nation Army, the Yoruba Nation Police, and then also the color of the uniform, how the Yoruba Nation police uniform will look like, and then the environment that this set of people will definitely be operating on, not like the environment to which the Nigerian police have been operating under harsh weather. And he said that if they are operating under that kind of weather, under that kind of atmosphere, how do you think they will be able to perform effectively? All right, my people, majority of things have been said. Yoruba Nation, no going back, and exactly what the people are talking about. All right, my people, and a lot of things are still going to come up, and then definitely we will actually come up with the latest updates. And then as it stands right now, meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, most especially if this is your first time of coming across this channel. All right, my people, thanks and God bless.